tells me absolutely a lot about this unit. The hair is so
What's up, beauties? What's up, baddies? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chilllee for those who don't know, or you can call me JoJo, Joe, whatever floats your boat, girl. But in this video, I am going to give you guys a hair review and just watch me install this unit that I got here. I believe the name of the company is Rigworth. I don't know how to pronounce it, y'all, but I have everything listed in the description box. They sent me this wig, and y'all, like, I just want to give y'all my honest opinion. So if you guys are interested, girl, let's go ahead and keep watching. So this is how the packaging looked, what it came in. This wig was 20 inches. It's a 13 by 6 lace front wig. This is how it looks, you know, coming straight out the package, girl. Y'all, when I opened that package, wow, all I smelled was Baddies, okay? Now, it wasn't any strong smell that lasted more than like a minute or two, or I don't know if my nose just got immune to it that fast. But either way it goes, as you guys can see, the hair is super soft. You know what I'm saying, y'all? I was running my fingers through it. I wanted to you guys to see. The concern was how you're gonna say 13 by 6, and baby, it's not giving 6 inches on the side, okay? So that was my concern. I was just like, baby girl, this is not 13 by 6. This is 13 by 3.5 or 3/4, okay? But other than that, y'all, it was good. I did go in right on in and I dyed the hair jet black. Of course, y'all know I love me some jet black or whatever. Did not take long at all. I literally did that like within maybe 7 minutes and let it sit for a little bit. Didn't have any issues. I did go in and bleach the knots, girl. And so from there, honey, we about to just go ahead and install this wig, you feel me? So y'all, that's how it looked. I did let it air dry, you know what I'm saying? Didn't feel like doing too much to it. This was really like, you know, let's get this on and let's get it popping, okay? For my beauties that may be asking or wondering, I do have Amazon Prime. So the company sent the wig out and I received it within 2 days. And y'all, another thing is for this 20-inch wig, 150% dense, this was only $103, okay? Now that's not including your tax.
Corny with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklaces. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make the Texas Bama. I like my baby hair with baby hair and afro. Negro nose with Jackson 5 nostrils. I earned all this money, but they never take the country off me. I got hot sauce in my bag. I see it, I want it. I stunt yellow on it. I dream it, I work hard, I grind till I own it. Twirl on the middles, albino alligators. Camino with a stilo, sipping Cuervo and no chaser. Sometimes I go out, I go out, I go hard, I go hard. Get what's mine, hey, what's mine? I'm a star, cause I slap, I slap, I slap, I slap, all day, I slap, I slap, I slap, we gon' slay, we slay, I slap, okay, okay, ladies, now let's get information, cause I slap, okay, ladies, now let's get information, I slap, who to me, you got some coordination, I slap. Slave trick, all you get eliminated. When he fuck me good, I take his ass to Red Lobster. When he fuck me good, I take his ass to Red Lobster. If I get it right, I might take him on a flight on my chopper. Drop him off at the mall, let him buy some J's, let him shop. I might get your song played on the radio station. I might get your song played on the radio station. You just might be a black Bill Gates in the making. Just might be a black Bill Gates in the making. I want it, I start yellow, want it. I dream it, I work hard, I grind till I own it. I twirl on my haters, albino alligators. Camino with a stilo, sipping Cuervo with no chaser. Sometimes I go out, I go hard, hey, what's mine, I'm a star, cause I slap, I slap, I slap, I slap. It's like, okay, ladies, now let's get information. You know you that bitch when you cause all this conversation. Always stay gracious, best revenge is your paper.
This definitely was a failed attempt for me when it came to doing this unit install because, girl, listen, first of all, it was like 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, okay? Y'all know I go to bed early, okay? Early. And then turn around, y'all. I don't know. I tried to switch up, give a different scenery, but it was a little bit harder on me. It's harder a word. It was a little bit more hard on me or more challenging for me. I forgot some products, y'all. I forgot the foam to, lay down my wig super flat like I like. Like, I was forgetting products, and I think it was because I was so tired. So I was just like, baby, this not giving what I wanted to give, like the install. But the hair itself is really, really amazing and nice. But the install, not care too much for how I installed the wig. But that's okay. This is beginner friendly, Y'all, my hairstylist, I was on the phone with her. She definitely just walked me through the process when it came to doing my curls because y'all, I never did bombshell curls with a curling iron. So I really, really wanted to do it for this unit and with this look. And thank God for her. I hit her up and y'all, she totally she helped me, y'all, and I caught on really quick. But listen, I'm left-handed, so it took a little minute for me to get it down pegged. But y'all see how it came out. So I was really, really happy about that. Shout out to her. Thank you, boo. Thank you, Booski. And this is how the look came out. I don't know what it's giving. It's not really giving, but at least we still showed up, okay? So anyways, y'all, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like, why haven't you? Go ahead, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I post. If you're following me on social media, I did inform you guys that I'll be dropping 3 videos this week. This is the first video. Comment below, let me know what you guys think of the look, the install, if you have any questions about the unit, definitely feel free to comment below and let me know. I'll be more than happy to let you guys know my honest opinion. My previous video, if you guys wanted to see how I did another install that came out a lot better. Yeah, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye, beauties.
All right, y'all, so for me to not have conditioned this hair after I dyed it jet black is so soft, y'all. Like, I can't stop running my hands through it. Oh my god, it tells me absolutely a lot about this unit. The hair is so soft. I really love this unit, like better than the last one. OMG. Now I am going to go in and pluck it more and flat iron, but girl, I had to get this video out for you guys, and it's like currently almost 3 o'clock in the morning, okay? So yeah, but I'm really in love with this. It's just so soft. OMG, like, I wish you guys can just feel it. That's crazy. But I'm really feeling it. I'm not trying to make nobody mad, okay? But y'all, this hair is so soft.
One day, you'll look back on this season and know that God heard every one of your prayers. He asks you to wait and be patient because he see what you can't see. Even in silence, he's still teaching us. Be patient.